Excel now is reaching out into the school district. We are just really proud to start sharing this with the community.
This is a standardized test and you guys should be playing the test.
These tips are your phone.
Okay, we're going to start off with a mini test.
You start recognizing that this is a time management test.
But if you can study those independently, you'll be in pretty good shape. Here's at the same frequency, then there's no mode.
And every question is a potential.
Remember that a colon must come at the end of an independent clause or complete sentence.
I think the students were very attentive and seemed interested and motivated.
What do you answer? You make 0 space.